Anneli.
Chubby Puppy,
Dog park.
dog park.
Yeah. We bought it in Target.
Not us, Daddy did. Because it was my birthday. Like this. This
You
one.
had this.
No, I lost it. With this
You
one,
lost it?
yeah. This came with the playground, but all of these I don't have. I'm going to show you how the puppy goes in.
The manual.
Yeah,
To do all this.
and we're gonna open this up.
Yes. Let's build it. Let's build it. Do the slide. Then this.
Let's show the Chubby Puppy how to.
We finish with the third part. The fourth part is this.
And look, guys, look at this. The elevation can by itself.
The elevation.
Let's show you what Chubby Puppy is like.
Now.
Then, so you can get out. Take two.
Yeah, we can do it.
You can do it. Puppy, come on.
You need to help me.
Puppy, come on. Yeah.
Come on,
These have energy. We will show you what this regular got. It's a regular character.
Oh, Max. Hi, Max.
Max is my favorite.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Oh, that's not nice, Max. Bad Max.
Now good. Good.
Okay, dude. Dude, you're going in the elevator. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Make it in time. Dude, come on, dude. Dude, come on. Dude, come on. Oh, dude. Don't eat it. So that dude, stay there with me.
Is good eating?
Yeah. Now let's try Gizzard. Dude, you don't fit there, so you're gonna go in the dog food.
Are they sharing the park? Are they sharing the park? Wow, good job.
But he's not.
He's not sharing?
No. it's
Man,
fine.
you have to share the swing.
No. Oh
Why?
my.
No. Down. Anneli.
I'm not doing swings because nobody but me can get sick.
Okay.
But
Why you don't want to share?
because everybody, I want some swing.
Okay.
I love swings. My favorite thing in the world.
And this one? What is this? What is her name?
Get it.
Okay. I love that dog park. Nice dog park, Annelies.
Nay, you have to dare.